So in this tutorial, we're going to go over correlation analysis and how to plot it with a heat map in Python. So we're going to start off by importing Seaborn as SNS, and we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And we can run that. Now, next, we're going to come down to the next line, and we're going to load in our iris dataset. Now, we're going to do that by doing sns.load dataset, and we can pass through iris. And we're going to pass that through as a string. Once we run that, we could see our dataset by just doing iris.head. And that'll give us a few variables to get an example of what's going on. Now, one thing we're going to want to do before running a correlation is drop all of our string variables. So we could see here, this column species needs to go before we run our correlation. To do so, we could do new underscore iris as our new data frame, and we're going to do iris.drop species and axis equals 1. There are tons of other ways to drop it, but in this case, this is what we're going to go with. And once we do this, we can see that column's gone. Now, to run our correlation, we could simply delete that and just pass through corr with parentheses, and we now get a correlation matrix. You can either choose to do your analysis from here, or if you would like, we could define this as corr equals, and now we can come down and plot it. So we're going to do sns.heatmap corr annot equals true for annotate, and then we're going to do cmap equals cool1. And that's for color mapping. Now you can see here we have our plotted heat map. And to clean this up a little bit, we could do something as plt.show, as I'll get rid of this. And I'll run that here to show that. We can even add a title. So plt.title, iris correlation heat map. Perfect. Fix that. Now we can see we have our title. With any plot with Matplotlib or Seaborn, you can continue to customize this how you'd like, but this would just be a basic introduction to how to do both.